Okay. Ready?
I just shit my pants. I just shit my pants.
Okay.
I just shit my pants for the first time. I just shit my pants. I just shit my pants and it feels good. I just shit my pants and I don't care. I just shit my pants and it feels good. I just shit my pants and
I don't care. Hey, you don't shit your pants. I really think you got a problem. A problem with your guts. I'm really tired of cleaning up what just came out of your guts. Why don't you go to the fucking bathroom like a normal human? I don't know what to do.
I just shit my pants. I just shit my pants.
These are instructions from your father. It's hard cleaning up shit. Just like your fucking daughter. Why do I have to put one inside of your mom? If all those gonna get is a big fucking shit garwell. Why does it matter?
I just shit my pants again for the 90th time today. I can't control what comes out or what's going to say. I just shit my pants. 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 I just shit my pants.
Shut the fuck up. I'm tired of cleaning shit off of my feet, off of the floor, off of the carpet, off of the ceiling. Like how the fuck do you get it? Everywhere that you fucking get it, it just doesn't make any fucking sense, man. Like, inflate it. Because your colon have that much muscle in it. They just blast it all over the fucking place. Do you ever have solid shit? Like, why is it all? I don't get it. I don't know what the fucking, you're the fucking problem. I was shit all over the floor all the time. What the fuck is going on with you, man?
I really don't know. It just feels great to just shit on the floor and watch you clean it up. And just stare while you clean up my own shit. Hey, that's it.
What?
I think something yet.
Let me guess, you are, let me guess, you are,
Song done.
I just shit my pants.
It's about a loving father and son. A loving father who's tired of cleaning up shit.